Apple going to reveal iPhone SE's storage and color options. Apple is holding an event on March 8th, where it's expected to unveil a refreshed iPad Air and a new iPhone SE, rumored to be called iPhone SE Plus 5G. The new iPhone SE is expected to start at $300 and have the A15 Bionic SoC at the helm. Apple hasn't confirmed these rumors as usual, but reliable analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has outlined his predictions for the new iPhone SE, which corroborate the bit about the A15 chip while also revealing some new information. Kuo says the iPhone SE Plus 5G will come in 64GB, 128GB, and 256GB storage options and 3 colors, white, black, and red. Its form factor will be similar to the iPhone SE 2020, but you will now get 5G support, mmWave and sub-6. Kuo also said that the iPhone SE 2022 will enter mass production this month, and Apple is estimated to ship 25 to 30 million units of the smartphone in 2022. With the event still 3 days away, we might see some more details about the 2022 iPhone SE Surface.